Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can scrap Google Maps data. Like if you want to collect information regarding different businesses on Google Maps like their phone, email or reviews data, or from a specific industry, then you can do it easily using a tool. So no coding skills are required. So let's begin the video. So before I begin the video, I should tell you that this tool is a paid tool. It is not a free tool, and I will be transparent with you guys. Like if you see many videos on YouTube, they are saying this is a free tool, etc. But all those free tools have some limitation, and after that you have to pay it. And also scrapping is quite difficult thing. So even if these tools are charging us, we are getting a lot of value from it. So yeah, I just wanted to give you beforehand so that you know if you want to watch the full video or not. Anyways, let's move towards our laptop. You're going to open any browser and search for Outscraper. You're going to open this website. Once you have opened the website, you can read all the details, what data they have, what their clients are saying, and how you can use it legally. Anyways, in our case, we are going to click on login, and if you don't have an account, you can just simply click on the sign up button and create a free account. Since I already have an account, I will sign in. Once you have signed in into your account, it may ask you to add your payment method, because again it is a paid service and it doesn't charge you a monthly fixed price. You are paid based on the amount of data you are using, so you can check their pricing page as well. Anyways, we are going to click on services, and here you can see they have a ton of different services that you can use. So if you are scraping data from Google Maps, most probably you will use the Google Maps scraper or the Google Maps review scraper. So how both of these are different is pretty simple. The Google Maps review scraper only extracts the reviews data of a specific business, whereas if you're doing lead generation, you're most probably going to be interested in the Google Maps scraper, because it can give you information of the business name, phone number, email, all the publicly listed data. So we are going to use this one. If you want to know how the Google Maps review scraper is actually working on a live application, you can go to this website localgap.app. I will put the link in the video description. So basically this app compares your business with multiple different businesses based on the reviews, and it uses an AI model to tell you how the other businesses are doing better or worse than yours. So definitely check this out. This is my own personal product. Anyways, we're going to click on Google Maps scraper, open service, and here you can see. So first of all, you need to tell your category or brand. So this is very important, because the more specific you are here, the better results you are going to get. Let's say we want to scrap restaurants data in the UK, so that's a very specific niche. So in the category we can just type restaurants and it will select it, and again you have much better you can say specification, like if you want Mexican restaurant, pizza restaurant, fast food and so on. So the more precise you are, the better results you are going to get. So for now we're just going to select pizza restaurant, and you can also add multiple categories as well. After that you can click on location. In my case it is United Kingdom, and then in that particular country which state or city you are targeting. I will not select all of these because this is going to be a very wide search and we will not get very good results. I will just select England, and if you click on it you can also further narrow your search as well. So you can just do that. After that, how many results do you want to get? You can select 500, 1000 and much more. Obviously the more you are going to add, the more you will be charged, because it is a pay as you go service. After that you have these three packages. If you just want to get leads data like emails, social links, phone number and so on, I think so this package is the one that will work for you. Other than that, you have these different packages as well. If you are into cold calling or etc., you have advanced features as well. And after that we just going to click on get data. So here you can see they are giving you a rough estimate of the cost that you will incur, as you can see right here. So it's around $0, because it is covered in their free tier. After that you will obviously be charged and the amount of time it will take. So just for the sake of this video, I will just reduce the result to 10 so that I can get the results faster. And it's like the same if you go to Google Maps, if you type pizza restaurant near UK, you will get the results. But with Google Maps, what you do is to click on each and everything, then you copy the data, paste it in Excel, so it takes a lot of manual work hours. So instead of paying a person, you can automate it using these systems or services. So let's wait until the task is completed. You can see the task has been sent. Now simply on the top click on tasks, and you can see this task is running that we just created. So we're going to wait. So you can see the task has been completed, and if you still see the status going on and going on, just click on this refresh button and it will be refreshed. So after that we are going to click on the download button, open the Excel file. So here we got the data that we just scraped or used Outscraper for it. We got the restaurant name, the name for emails, its type, category. The most important thing are the phone number, their website, address, and so on. So this is how easily you can scrap data without code. If you guys liked this video, make sure to like it. If you have any other questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.